So what up, good people? It's your boy Bongani WSMN. So today I'm gonna be reacting to some of my piano songs. I'm gonna be reacting to 3 of them. 4, maybe 4. Yeah, 4. The first one is MFR Soul. MFR Soul. Oval. Featuring Indoni, Pasi, Sipukubani. First song is. Sorry about that. I'm playing it on YouTube, so adverts gonna be there. I don't know why. So yeah, so first song is Oh, it's very very good. My first song, don't disappoint. These guys don't disappoint. The second one is Kevin Momo. The guy was trending the whole of this week. This guy was trending even in the weekend last week. The best album ever.
Do not go outside. It is 32 degrees. That was super
The other one
nice.
is my first song again.
Yeah. Oh. Hey, that was nice.
Simi, hello.
Oh.
Saki, hello.
Fed up with load shedding.